Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. And today we are going to learn phonetics, which are very important in our spoken English. And as you know, phonetics are used how to pronounce a particular sound so that it is understood by the other person who is receiving your speech. Generally, what we have learned in our primary classes is English alphabet comprises of 26 letters, out of which A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the remaining 21 are consonants. But when it comes to speech sounds, there are 44 in number that you can see on the screen, and these 44 sounds are again bifurcated into two types. They are vowels and consonants. And here you can see vowels are 20 in number, which you can see on the top corner or top of the slide over there. And they are again divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs are nothing but which is having only one vowel sound within it. And diphthongs are nothing but you can see are represented with two symbols within one. And here diphthongs are nothing but a two vowel sounds is produced within one and one is gliding on another. And in the monophthongs also again you can see long vowels and short vowels. And symbol which is succeeded with a colon is called long vowel, which takes a longer time when compared to the other one. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 long vowels and remaining 7 are short vowels. And these phonetics 44 in number, which are 44 in number, we call them as International Phonetic Alphabet, and which is common to all around the world. And there may be a slang or there may be accent may be different, but the pronunciation or the speech sounds are common to all. And when you refer to the dictionary, next to the word in the bracket or in between two vertical bars or slang bars, we can see these phonetic transcription, and which is helpful in learning how to pronounce the word properly. And coming to consonants, consonants are 24 in number, and monophthongs, diphthongs and consonants, these 44 sounds comprises of International Phonetic Alphabet. And monophthongs we can see while learning this phonetic sounds, we need to feel that we are again a small children who is learning ABC. Like how they recite when the teacher is telling them, we also need to practice it more to learn it effectively. And here you can see in the chart which tells what are the sounds. In the short vowel sounds we can see E, U, A, and coming to the long vowels, and it is nothing but the short vowel is and long vowel is and short vowel is E and long vowel is E. How we have pronounced it takes double the time of the pronouncing of short vowel. That we consider as long vowel. And A and O. And we have some confusing words which are again termed as which may be similar sound. If you observe clearly only, we can find the difference between them. And they are nothing but R sound comes 2 or 3 times, which makes us slightly confused. But if you go on practicing it regularly, we can learn what is the difference between that R sound and this R sound. And this is rounded O. And if you see in lot, the same R sound is coming, and in the love also the same R sound, love, and but you can see the variation where lot, we can see the rounded lips, the lips are rounded, and when it comes to love, it is somewhat different. See, we need to observe the articulation of our mouth or lips, tongue and teeth, where the tongue is touching when we are producing one particular sound. Then only we can learn this effectively. And this is very important in learning a language, particularly spoken English. As we learn also English alphabet, which comprised of 26 letters, which are useful in writing English. And now when we learn speaking English, this is very important. This is for the day, and I hope everyone will practice. And this chart I am going to send it to you and go through it. And this is nothing but diphthongs. Diphthongs are nothing but, see, you can see same sound, but we can see two different sounds glided within it. And if you observe clearly only, this also can be noticed. And here A, I, A plus E, I, and O, I, ear, like what we have in the ear, Y-E-R, ear, we can see this long O, this diphthongs. And coming to consonant sounds, consonant sounds are again paired sounds, P and B, and one is voice, another one is voiceless. And P and B, T and D, and K, G, Ch, J, F, V, Th and Th. These are considered to be the paired consonants, which we can see two of similar, but one is voiceless and the other one is voice. And you can see some of the sounds which are having the different symbols that we need to pay attention a lot in learning. Few of them, the sound is similar to this particular word what we write, or particular letter what we write. But few of them, the symbols are very new that we need to learn as we learn English alphabet in our primary school days. And this is for the day. Practice a lot and come back. Tomorrow we will discuss something more about this phonetics. Thank you all. Have a good day.